never imagined myself here, you know. But it's all about you working hard, putting in the work, and actually thinking about achieving your dreams, you know. That's the only way you're gonna make it out, you know. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. It's me, Hassan. I'm 19 years old. I live in Dubai and I've been doing e-commerce and dropshipping for the past 3 years of my life. And today I'm gonna change your perspective on why you should get started with dropshipping and e-commerce here in Dubai or the Gulf countries or anywhere in the world that you live in. Now when it comes to people saying dropshipping is gonna die, it's only gonna get better than this. It's only gonna get bigger than this. Every single business is trying to actually sell online. The physical business is actually what might die, unlike the online business. The online business is just gonna get better. Now what is Hustlers e-com? How it can actually help you and how you can actually take advantage of it. In the past 3 years that I started my journey, I literally went from having nothing to having my dream car, my dream office, and inshallah buying my dream house very soon. Now the way that I did it was very hard and it was literally trying to find a location without any map. Now at Hustlers e-com we have made everything so simple that literally a 13 to 14 to 20 year old can actually understand it, implement it, and make money through it. And alhamdulillah, we have so many testimonials that you can check out by yourself just by joining our Discord. Now the Hustlers e-com itself is actually based on a Discord group where we have over 450 students, alhamdulillah, speaking as of right now, with over 1,300 members. Now what does Hustlers e-com provide and how you can actually take advantage of it? Now the Hustlers e-com course actually provides a lot of things, such as how to find winning products, how to actually create your store on Shopify, how to advertise your product on TikTok and Snapchat, along with my scaling method, how to deliver your product along with fulfillment, and how to find reliable suppliers for your product. Now if you think about it, it covers completely everything from A to Z, but that's not it. We actually give you winning products every 15 days, and we also have weekly Zoom calls with me where you can ask me literally any type of questions that you have. Now dropshipping and e-commerce changed my life, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna change millions of other people's lives. So if you wanna be someone who's actually gonna take advantage of it and actually change your life for the better, this is an opportunity that you do not want to miss on.